Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change YouTube channel name and brand account name using your PC or your laptop. Just keep on watching this video and let's get started. So go to youtube.com. Then click your profile here. Click settings. So here is your account. Under your name, click edit on Google. Just click this pen icon. Then edit your name. Click save. So go back. So click your account here. And as you can see here, my YouTube channel name changed. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day!